Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, you'll need to turn off the hot and cold water supply. We're going to show you how to install a new water valve for your Kenmore refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a 1/2-inch wrench, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a razor blade, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new water valve. The reason why you'd be replacing the water valve is if it's leaking water or if the ice maker isn't making ice. To replace the part, you'll need to access the back side of the refrigerator. The water valve is located at the bottom right corner of the refrigerator. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to loosen and remove the water inlet line. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen and remove the 2 screws that hold the water inlet valve in place. Then, slightly pull out the water inlet valve so you can access this wiring harness that needs to be unplugged. At the bottom of the water valve is a plastic nut that you'll need to unscrew. And then you can remove the water inlet valve. Here's the old water valve next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. In some instances, the new part may vary from the old one. With the old one, the water inlet line had a screw-on fitting, and with the new one, it has a push-in fitting, so you'll need to modify the line. To properly connect to the new water valve, we're going to need to cut off this old end here. To protect your floor, you might want to put down a piece of wood or something like that. Then you're going to position the water line, then use a razor blade to cut the end of the hose off. Afterwards, remove this threaded nut. With the new water inlet valve, you're going to take the hose, you're going to simply align it and then press it into place, and it'll kind of click and it'll hold tight. Afterwards, reconnect the wiring harness, then position the water valve so that the screw holes align, and then thread in and tighten the 2 retaining screws. Now remove the small protector cap, then reconnect the water inlet line, reconnect the power cord, turn on the water supply, check for any leaks, then the refrigerator should be ready for use. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.